In our last couple of videos, I've shown you an amazing tool that will use AI to write a newsletter for you. This is the video here. If you want to check it out, it will be at the end of this video, or you can go straight down and check it out in the description. But what I want to do today is I want to talk to you about actually making some money. We're going to ask the question, how to make $1,000 per month writing newsletters, because this really is an amazing opportunity for you to make some money. Even whether you've already got a business and that business is set up, you can add a newsletter in, or if you don't have any business at all, you don't want to learn SEO, you don't want a website, you don't want to get a domain or anything like that, you just want to keep it simple, then a newsletter's a way to do that. If that's of interest to you and want to see AI build a newsletter for you in just a few clicks, then check out this video. But as I said, we're going to talk today about actually how to make some money from this. So there's a lot of myths out there from newsletters, and people don't talk about the huge much. There's things like crypto and things like that that get a lot more airtime. But as you can see here, there is a massive ROI on newsletters. Okay, this particular part of an article here comes from Databox, and you can see here, this is the website, this is the article. What's your email marketing ROI? Every $42 invested in a market strategy, they're getting a return on investment. ROI, big numbers. So the question isn't should you do it, it's why are you not doing it? They're quietly making people lots and lots of money, so they're not irrelevant. They are very relevant and can make you money, and the ROI is definitely worth it. Now, you've obviously got to do this correctly, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So I don't think this is a waste of time. Definitely something you should be exploring. So let's get on to the reality then. The thing that newsletters do, what newsletters do is they provide value. That's the first thing you've got to do. Yes, you've got to pick your niche. You've got to make sure you've got that right, but you need to make sure you're providing value. Now, in order to provide value, you obviously need to have some understanding of your niche. And as I said, if you check out this video here, AI can help you figure out what to put into your newsletter. But some examples are you can provide useful insights. They might be industry insights. It might be some information about a piece of software or a program that's relevant to your niche. It might be a technique if you're talking about something like food and cooking. It might be promotions that you're offering, coupon codes, things like that. I'm actually going to be doing soon a video that will run through different things that you can put into your newsletter. We're actually going to go through this entire list here. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel and you'll be able to get access to that full list. We're putting that out next week. Couple of things you need to take into consideration. Once you've watched that video, you've seen how easy it is for AI to make a newsletter for you, and you decide, you know what, I've got a niche, I want to give this a go. You want to make sure that when you're building your newsletter, you are maximizing subscribers, okay? You want to make sure that your subscribers are signing up. Now, you might already have a emails newsletter or email list, and that's a great thing because you can email out to people and say, hey, we're starting a newsletter, click here to join, and straight away you have got some subscribers. But there's a few other things that you need to consider as well. And in fact, what we've done for you, because we feel so strongly about this particular topic, is we've actually put this article here on our website. Okay, if you just go down into the description of this video, you'll find a link through to this article that is on our website, and you can just go through this and you can find a lot more in-depth detail than I'm able to give you in a video. But as you can see here, if you want to maximize subscribers, we need to be doing things like incentivizing. So that could be things like lead magnets, for example, offering templates, maybe an ebook, something like that. And you need to also optimize your website for signups as well, which means that you're making it easy for people to sign up. So for example, for our newsletter, if I take you over to this exact article as well, you can see we're providing huge amounts of value. But what we've done as well is you can see here, you can sign up for our newsletter. This is actually going to give you access to our 10-day email course, which will show you how to build a newsletter. So you're gonna get way more detail than we can write in an article, or we can write in a couple of videos. So we've made it really easy, and you can also access this on other pages as well. So you want to make sure that you're fully optimized in order to get those sign-ups. What you always want to be doing is making sure that you are building for growth. And what I mean by that is you're not trying to cut corners. You're not trying to use completely free software or build it on one cheaper platform before you build it on the more expensive one. You'll actually find you do better if you go for the best software. And if you want to know which software we recommend, then the email course will tell you about that. You might see a video coming out on that next week or the week after. I can't guarantee it. Depends how much time we've got. We've got loads of other things about newsletters we want to talk about first, but that is one way for you to get that answer really, really quickly. So build for growth. It does have a free trial as well, by the way, the software we recommend. And the second thing you do is you've got to craft compelling content. You can't just write rubbish content. People will unsubscribe. You'll put all that effort in to get your subscribers from your website onto your newsletter, and then they're going to disappear. And as I said, if you watch that video, that's the link for which is in the description. Okay, looks like this here. You'll see the tool we use in order to get AI to write that compelling content for us. So once you've got everything set up properly, you're using the right software, you're using the right platform, you're using the right AI to write everything for you, you've got your page optimized. And I did say you don't need a full website, and I'd stand by that, because the platform that we talk about in the email course will actually help you produce landing pages where people can find your articles, so find your newsletter, so you don't need a full website. Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are optimizing for money. That's why we're doing this. We want to try and make $1,000 in a very, very short amount of time. Now, there's things that you can do within your newsletter in order to help you do just that. A few examples are affiliate marketing. If you don't have your own business or product or service, an affiliate marketing is a great way to go. The most important thing for you to do is you need to choose the right affiliate, and that's a balance between you making sure you're getting a good payout and you're getting a good percentage. 20-30% is a good percentage to be paid as an affiliate. But at the same time, it is a product or service or platform that your audience is going to be interested in and they're going to want to buy. And it has to match up with your content as well. Okay, we talked about the fact that you need to have good quality content. You can't just put an affiliate link in that doesn't relate to that content. It's all got to match together. I've got this +4 here because there's actually loads of other ways that you can build affiliate marketing into your newsletter business. But I don't have time, as I said, to go through everything in one video. It would be like an hour long. So if you check out this article here, you'll find some examples of those alongside, as I said, choosing the right affiliate. The next thing you can do is sell your own digital or physical products. If you're going digital, these are really easy to produce within simple software tools, something like an ebook or a video course. Physical products is actually going to be a lot harder, but actually there are companies out there now that will allow you to white label. So I've seen places that have like supplements, like vitamins and mineral supplements, and all you've got to do is white label. I've seen exactly the same for coffee as well. So you could start a newsletter about coffee, for example, and then you could white label this coffee, put your own branding on it, and then you could make more money. If you make your own products, normally if you do it correctly, you'll make more money than affiliate marketing if you can get your profit margins correct. But in the article, as I showed you before, we mention products. This is actually in the email course that we talk about this one, not in that article. So if you're interested and you're still with me, then I definitely recommend signing up for that. Another example is paid advertising. And actually you can get into this a lot earlier than you think. You might not be making big bucks, but if you've got a subscriber list and you've got a few hundred people on there, that is a few hundred targeted individuals that are interested in your niche, are happy to receive your emails, and people will pay you. So having targeted ad placement within your newsletter is definitely a way for you to make money. In the email course, we've got 2 more ways that you can use paid advertising in order to make you money with your newsletter. And actually, these aren't the only strategies we talk about. There's more in there as well. So as I said, if you're still with me in this video and you've got to minute 10, then you probably want to check out that email course. So that's just the overview that I wanted to share with you today. If you're wanting to make $1,000 per month, get your niche sorted, maximize your subscribers, get everything set up properly, make sure you've got a good platform, you've got good content, and that you've set everything up so that from day one you can make some money. I should have mentioned before as well, actually, this is our second video we've done on the platform that uses AI in order to produce a newsletter for you. This video is actually targeted for those people that want to make affiliate sales. And even if you've got your own product, you can still recommend other affiliates that don't directly compete with you. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, I would definitely check out that video. It is in the description as well, along with the first video up here as well. So we've talked about how to make $1,000 per month writing newsletters. The video that I mentioned, this one here with all the different ideas, will be coming out soon. But I wanted to ask, as we're finishing off this video, what about traffic? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to know how you can make more money and get more traffic? I would like to know, should we make a video on traffic? Is it something that you would find useful? If you think so, all I would love you to do is put the word traffic into the comments. Just that one word is fine. If we get enough interest, then I will make a video dedicated to how we get traffic to our newsletter and how you could get traffic to your newsletter as well. On the screen now, you should be able to see those 2 videos I mentioned that show you how to use AI to start a newsletter business. Click on one of those and we'll see you in the next one.